Do you want to make sure that you get that first kiss as a married couple beautifully captured? Then you're in the right place. I'm Georgia McGilly from Georgia-Beth Photography. I've been working on weddings for years, and I have this channel specifically to give you guys tips with planning advice and also inspiration for your wedding. So my first tip is that you practice ahead of time. Now, a lot of couples I know get worried about this. They think it should be spontaneous, but you know what? There's nothing wrong with practicing. Love is love. I'm sure you guys kiss at other times in your lives, so it's definitely a good idea to make sure that you practice the kiss and figuring out like where you're going to put your hands and all that sort of thing, so that you know it's going to be really beautifully captured. Tip 2. Make sure you hold it for at least 3 seconds. Now, this moment sometimes can be really awkward for some couples, but to be honest, everybody's just going to love it. They're going to be cheering you on as you've just got married as the new happy couple, and the photographer's going to be able to capture it better if you just hold it for a little bit longer than maybe a little peck. So make sure that you hold it for like 3 to 5 seconds so that the photographer can just capture it beautifully. Tip 3, make sure that you go over the plan with the officiant. So if you're not wanting the officiant or the vicar or whoever it is who's conducting your ceremony to be in the photo of that first kiss, then you can talk to them and say, we're going to do a first kiss, we'd like it if you step to the side. I know a lot of celebrants that I work with normally do that anyway. Tip 4, one of a lot of people's favourite kisses, and also a beautiful kiss to look back on his photos, is a traditional kiss, just your normal kind of kiss holding each other that then gradually goes into a dip. So that's a really romantic way of doing it, and it's definitely something that you want to practice together so that you're not uncomfortable, you don't hurt yourselves, nobody gets dropped, all of that sort of thing. So go from your normal kiss into a dip, make sure that you practice. And tip 5, a mid-aisle kiss. So while everybody's cheering and you're coming back down the aisle as the recessional, and you've maybe got your bridesmaids or groomsmen, anybody in the background, and everybody's cheering and get excited for you, you can stop midway down the aisle and grab a little kiss then. And that is just a lovely shot of everybody celebrating around you and being able to capture that kiss in your ceremony venue. Okay, so that was just a really quick video on making sure that your photographer doesn't miss your first kiss, and make sure that it's a really beautiful shot that you want to keep and look back on in years to come. Make sure that you go ahead and download my free wedding checklist and guide to help you on your wedding planning journey, and hit subscribe if you enjoyed it, share the video, enjoyed it, smash the like button, and I will see you guys really soon. I'll be back next Saturday with another video for you all. I'm always cheering you on.